Alright guys, welcome to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be going over my brand new tires. I got some BFG KO2 tires. These are 315/70/17s, so pretty much a 35-inch tire. And I made a video before with my 33s. I had 285/70/17 BF Goodrich KO2s. So here's the Jeep right here. As you can see, I have 285/70/17s, so I can fit them on the stock rims. In the front, you have about 5 to 6 inches of clearance right here. Tail light is pretty much flush with the top of the tire. So one issue I do actually have with these 285/70/17s is that if you can look right in there, it rubs on full lock. I decided to stay with the BF Goodrich name because they did not deem me dirty at all, and they turned out to be a really great tire. Let's look at that ass. Looks good.
Mama, we made it.
So the lift kit I have is the Trailmasters 3-inch lift kit. You guys can see it in there. Those are Pro Comp coils. Kind of bowing a little bit. I might have to replace the lift kit. I'm actually thinking about getting a 4.5-inch lift, but that'll come a little bit down the road. But as you can see, the 35s fit in the wheel arches pretty nicely, and there's quite a bit of gap here. So in the back, pretty much almost the same story, except I will be doing some trimming right here on my rock guards because it's just a little too close there for my comfort, so I'll be doing that, changing that up. One other issue I have is in the back here. So you can see my third tail light, can't even see over it, and it's illegal to not have a third brake light in the state of Texas, so I'll be having to modify this as well. I added a bracket in there. You guys can see it right in there. There's a bracket that pushes the tire out an extra like 2 or 3 inches. So that's why it's hanging off. Usually these bump stops would be up against the back of your tire. But anyways, let's go ahead and walk around, show you guys how exactly it looks. And also I do have 1.5-inch wheel spacers on this thing, so it does push out the stance quite a bit, and you will need it anyways, or else the tires will be too wide and you'll rub up against your sway bar. So get some wheel spacers or get wheels with bigger back spacing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer you. Subscribe to the channel for more, like the video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.